All right, hello everybody. Doing a forecast update. Sorry, was still getting some stuff set up there. We'll go ahead and start at 103. Beautiful day out, other than some clouds, a little bit dreary out there. 56 degrees here. And bear with me when I get that call off here. People know right when to call. Anyway, we'll go ahead and start out. We'll take a look across the area, but right now let's look at the temperatures out there. Not looking too bad out. 56 degrees here at our station. We'll zoom it on out here. 56 in Geraldine. Looks like 56 up around Whiten. 57 around Albertville. 57 Guntersville. Moving on up to Jackson County. Looks like around 56 around Section. So pretty much in the 50s out there. Not too bad. Winds, well, they're a little bit gusty out there. They're picking up actually. It looks like around 7 miles per hour here at our station. Looks like the highest peak today's been around, I think, 11 miles per hour. But right now we're at 3.4. So winds are just kind of gusting up. I expect that to continue. Some of those gusts could get on up to 20, 30 miles per hour later on as that storm system continues to get closer. Right now, a little bit of rain to the west there around Guntersville. A little bit of rain anywhere between Crossville, Pine Ridge. Just a little bit of rain there. Overall, not a lot. Let me get the radar up and we'll have a look at that next. So bear with me while I grab that up really fast. I actually forgot to put that up on the screen up here. So we'll go ahead and skip on. Look at the sky cam outside. Nice day out. Like I said, a little bit breezy. Some clouds really starting to roll in with those showers and storms that continue to push in. Let's look at radar, though. We got some scattered showers out there across the area. Looks like all that going up toward Huntsville. Got some light stuff coming in here around, it's like Guntersville, Marshall County. Pretty much all that lifting on off to the northeast. We'll continue to get some more of that shower storm activity. Looks like around 90% chance. So make sure you keep an umbrella with you. It'll really start picking up later on. So just keep that in mind. It's definitely going to start picking up. We'll look at the forecast outlook, of course, looking like for Thursday, which is today. Showers and storms, high of 59, low 34. Cold front moves through, 90% chance of storms. Some of those could be strong to severe. Friday looks sunny, high 46, low 29. Just one day, pretty much, of being pretty cold. We warm right back up. Saturday, sunny skies, high 57, low 39. Sunday, there could be a 20% chance of a shower. Overall, sunny, high 56, low 33. Monday looks like it will be partly sunny, high 56, low 37. Now, let's talk about the forecast information. Pretty much, this is what's been released from the Weather Service Huntsville. Could see some redevelopment this afternoon, which will pose a risk for scattered strong to severe storms. All of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee, gusty to damaging winds, low confidence, a tornado, very low confidence. We'll talk a little bit more about that. So let's go take a look at some more of that information, as a matter of fact. So this is about the Storm Prediction Center. They do have a marginal risk, which is a pretty much level 1 marginal risk of severe thunderstorms for close to all of North Alabama, but it is to the west, but they went ahead and just said all of North Alabama to begin with. So we could see some brief damaging winds, lower threat of a tornado, pretty much that's level 1 marginal risk. Storm Prediction Center, damaging wind threat, 5% risk. We'll go ahead and say all of North Alabama, but it does weaken as it moves east of I-65. So it looks like the best threat will be around Marshall County, Jackson to the west, and then DeKalb. It's kind of been exited out of it, but we won't rule it out completely. There could still be a few strong thunderstorms pushed through here. Tornado threat, very low, but definitely, not non-existent anyway. Looks like anywhere between Decatur, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Florence, 2% risk for a tornado, very low threat, not zero. Tornado probability, well, to be honest, I'm a little bit in disagreement with the tornado placement by the Storm Prediction Center, to be honest. It looks like the highest threat of tornadoes would be further to the southwest of us. But still a threat west of I-65, weakens as it moves on off to the east. So not a big thing at all, but still a couple of those could produce supercells, produce tornadoes. Very low threat of that. Timing, pretty much newest update on the timing. Looks to be 4 to 7 p.m. for Florence, Russellville, 5 to 8 p.m. Huntsville, Fayetteville, Coleman along I-65, and 6 p.m. to 10 o'clock for Northeast Alabama. It'd be Stevenson, Fort Payne, and Sewanee, Tennessee. We'll look at the high-res models, and pretty much let them back up, and we'll look over the timing. Looks like they start moving into Northwest Alabama around 6 o'clock, getting along I-65 around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and then moving through Northeast Alabama. That looks like around 9 o'clock. So somewhere right in there is when we expect all this to start moving through. Again, there is a low threat of damaging winds, low threat of a tornado, and also a low threat of, overall severe weather. But there could be some heavy rain, damaging winds, can't rule it out. Again, low threat of a tornado. So keep your guard up, stay weather aware. We'll definitely keep you covered here if there's anything severe that pops up. But right now, just some light rain across the area, light to moderate. Of course, we'll expect that to continue to pop on up and, develop throughout the day. So we'll wrap this update up by Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, you can give him a call at 256-979-4330 and check him out on Facebook. And also, RKG Automotive Group, if you're looking for your new dream car, look no further. You can give them a call at 256-323-7323 and also check them out on Facebook. And Southern Hospitality Kitchens, if you need some kitchen work or bathroom work, countertops, more, they do all of it. You can give them a call at 256-418-5708, and you can also check them out online. So let's get ready to wrap the video up here. Thanks again for joining us, everybody. Make sure you stay weather aware. Just wanted to do a quick update and give everybody a heads up. There is a threat of severe weather. So it's been very up and down. The models have been really odd the past 3 days. They'll add the severe threat, take it away, add it, take it away. That's kind of what's been going on with the weather, too. Up and down, cold, hot, cold, hot. So, and that looks like what we're going to be dealing with for the future, too. 60s and 70s for highs. Wow. And, yeah, it's going to warm up that much, possibly, as we get closer up to the 20th, 25th time frame. But looks pretty good. I'll take it, but it's a little bit concerning having that kind of warm air this time of year. You know what I mean? Illinois, they're reporting a possible tornado has touched down in Illinois now, between Missouri and Illinois. I believe, if I'm telling you right. I could be wrong, but it's somewhere between Illinois and another state. But anyway, still not 100% sure on that, but that's what they're saying. So we'll get ready to wrap it up. Let's look at the comments. Brandy Elrod, hello. Good to see you. Thanks for watching. Janice Engel, hello. Thank you for the update. No problem. Evan Reed 1236, hello. Good to see you on. Thanks for watching. And got my weather radio on. Awesome, Brandy. That sounds good. I got to get my pager on. I ain't got it on. But, yeah, overall, it's looking pretty good. We'll look at the tower cam one more time. I just love looking at that tower cam. It's pretty awesome. Ever since I got it, I really enjoyed using it. Let me get that sky cam view back up one more time. We'll wrap it up. But yeah, looks good. You can see the antenna moving around a little bit. Not really that windy at the moment, but again, that'll pick on up as we get on through the day. I'll start to see those winds gusting up to maybe 30 miles per hour, but absolutely love this tower cam. It's nice to just be able to sit in here and see what's going on looking out to the north. So very beautiful outside. But all right, take care, everybody. Stay weather aware. We thank you very much. Make sure you keep your weather radios on, your apps on your phone. Make sure all that's set just in case a warning is issued. So we're going to get out of here. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Like and subscribe on YouTube. Help us get the word out. So like and share. Make sure you do. Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you on the next update.